Okay, guys, thanks for joining us here in the charts. You tune into the Market Beast Edition. Fellow compadre speaking. On this video, we'll be exploring the SNDL market and give you a brief explanation as to what technically took place in order to explain why the market experienced some resistance. Okay, and we're also going to take a look at the Golden Cross update just to let everyone know how that's looking. So welcome back, loyal family. If you're new here, we'd love for you to join us, stick around until the end, but we're only going over price action. Okay, anything outside of that, I don't know anything about that. Okay, thanks for understanding. That's all we're going over. Okay, all right, so let's get into the charts here, and yeah, let's dive right into it, shall we? All right, so today's June the 4th, 2021, and the current price of SNDL is going to be $1.21. It's down approximately 6.1% for the day. Okay. All right, there's the lines. I guess we revealed them very fast, all right? Welcome back, ASMR, interesting analysis. Here's the original lines that we've had on the chart for some time. The 51 cents and the 98 cents, okay, was the range. I think on the last video we posted. Just saying that the seller's obligation was to push the price down to 51 cents. Obviously, the sellers couldn't follow through. The buyers just kind of captured that, took that opportunity to break back above the 98 cent level. Now, in terms of what I'm seeing, maybe it's associated with news in terms of why the market had a little bit of resistance. But if you notice here, if we kind of back out, this is the line. We've had the same line, guys. I haven't moved anything, right? This is the same line that we've been following in terms of the support for the SNDL market as it recently broke down below that line, right? And it appears that there's been a reaction at the previous level of support. So it really needs to break through the $1.30 level here in a short period of time in order to just kind of, to continue not the overall trend, to continue the most recent trend that started back in November, I think early November, late October, like right around this area over here. Okay, that's when the uptrend started in near the 1st of November. Okay, is the market still in an uptrend? The market ever since November, the beginning of November, yes, it's technically still in an uptrend because the market needed to make a lower low at the 51 cents in order to continue lower, in order for the sellers to truly take full control of the overall trend, which is still subjected to a downtrend. But if it's above 98 cents, then again, starting in October, where the market found support at this ascending line, right? The market still has the very unique opportunity to continue to continue the trend that started back in November. Okay, the only thing it must do is make a new high, which is higher than like $3, I think it was. But the previous level of the previous high was at $1.75. Okay, that's not going to change. Like for starters, if the market can get above $1.75 and then just at least stay above the ascending line, it's really simple to find this yellow line. You have to pull up your charts and pull up your weekly candles and just kind of put the yellow ascending line below the candles' bodies, and that's it. That's how you find the yellow line. So everything looks fair, actually. Small bump in the road just because it's a previous level of support, but it truly needs to break above, like find some very powerful strength and break out to the upside, because if it gets stuck below this level, guys, then you already know the sellers are going to try to make another attempt, right? Push the price below 98 cents. I know it's never going to get below 98 cents again. I know. But just be open to volatility, guys, okay? And that's pretty much all I have for the SNDL market. Hang on, we did say we'll go over the Golden Cross update. Let's erase those for now and see if we can pull up the Golden Cross 50 and the 100. That's actually pretty interesting. Now that the market is above the 200 exponential moving average, that's a good sign. So yeah, if you want to just pull up your charts and like pull up what I'm looking at, the most important thing for me is actually the 200, the red line. If the market is kind of, just finding price activity above the red line here, the 200 exponential, and if it just kind of consolidates sideways, oh yeah, there's going to be a really big move to the upside, guys. Yeah, the sellers are really going to have to back off this price. And I see a lot of upwards pressure in the SNDL market. But so far, this may have just been kind of like a fake out, right? The bull market. Is it in a bull market? No. You need the green line above the red line, the 50 green line above the cross above the red line in order to be in a bull market. Okay. So it's still in an uptrend ever since November, assuming that it respects the lows near the 70 cents level. Yeah, then it's still in an uptrend ever since November. Okay, so 98 cents is the level. As long as the sellers cannot break back below that level, yeah, Sndl is going to reach some very higher prices, guys. Get ready, because it's going to be a really, really explosive ride to the upside, as long as the buyers just maintain their control. Okay, and I think, yeah, Sndl it's in preparation to make some really, really nice gains in the future, as long as you are patient and you can stomach some drops, right? All right, so that's pretty much all I have. I guess what in a nutshell, let me see if I can do this really quickly. So I realized I said 98 cents, but if from a daily's candles, I guess the most recent like point of control is like right there. So like $1.13. So if you see any price activity taking place above $1.13, that means the buyers are just kind of, you know, consolidating in preparation to make its next move, which will likely be to the upside. But remember, the previous high is going to be at $1.75. So anything above that, whether it's a wick above that level and then it gets rejected, that's fine, guys. The markets are going to be volatile. Okay, even if it gets above 175 and it holds as support, that's even better. But just understand, guys, it's going to be all over the place, right? Up and down, up and down. But the video is the last level on this video in terms of a floor. I can't say it's a buy-in, okay, because it's an interesting level to pay attention to the price action. $1.13. Okay, if you get a few daily candles to hover above that level, yeah, just understand that it's in preparation to move higher. That's my speculative observation. Let me know what you think down in the comment section. We're gonna cut the video out. Thank you for listening all the way until the end. And also, if you are new, we covered the alternative markets, Bitcoin and altcoins. So kindly subscribe with us, hit the bell, and we'll send you that information when it is available. Okay. Remember, execute your strategies in the market. Take care of yourselves. We'll talk soon, and bye for now.